Hello everyone, this is the question from GATE 2021, Mechanical Engineering Set 2. A box contains 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. If two balls are selected randomly without replacement, the probability of an outcome in which the first selected is a blue ball and the second selected is a black ball is blank. So this question can be solved by using conditional probability. So conditional probability is defined as the likelihood of an event or outcome occurring based on the occurrence of a previous event or outcome. Conditional probability refers to the chances that some outcome occurs given that another event has also occurred. In our case, we have to find out the chances of the second selection is a black ball when another event, that is selection of the first ball, is a blue ball also happened. It is often stated as the probability of B given A and is written like this, where the probability of B depends on that of A happening. So in our question, event A is first selected ball is blue ball and event B is second selected ball is black ball. Right now in event B, we are not saying that second selected ball is a black ball given that first selected ball is a blue ball. Event B is only that second selected ball is a black ball. So right now event A and event B is independent from each other. Now we want to find out the probability of second selected ball is black ball given that first selected ball is a blue ball. So it can be written as probability of B given A, which means probability of second ball being black, but on a condition that event A has also happened. So for event A, probability of event A is probability of first ball is a blue ball is number of blue balls divided by total balls is equal to 15 divided by 16 is equal to 1 by 4. Because there were 15 blue balls in the box and total 60 balls, so if we select a ball randomly, so from the total 60 possibilities, there are 15 possibilities that that ball can be a blue ball. So that's why it is 15 divided by 60. Now probability of event B, which is second ball is a black ball, will always depend on the first ball because it is said in the question that two balls are selected randomly without replacement. That means probability of second ball being black ball will always be conditional depending on the which color of the first ball is. That's why we have taken it as a probability of B given A. So probability B given A is equals to number of black balls divided by total balls. Now in probability of B given A, we have already established that in event A, first ball selected is a blue ball. So number of black balls in the box will remain same, which is 45, divided by total ball. In total ball, one blue ball is already selected. So 14 blue balls plus 45 black balls is equals to 45 by 59. Now our problem is that we have to find out the probability in which both event A and event B occurred. That is, the first selected is a blue ball and the second selected is a black ball. So it is written as probability of A intersection B. Because the word AND is used in the question, it is converted into intersection. So in the formula of probability of B given A, probability of B given A is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B given A into probability of A. So we have probability of B given A, which is 45 divided by 59 is equal to 45 divided by 59 into probability of A is equal to 1 divided by 4 is equal to 45 divided by 236, which is option B, the correct answer.